Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to edit your Instagram Reels cover without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Instagram app. After you open up your Instagram app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and select your Instagram video Reels. And go ahead and click on these three dots from the top corner. And go ahead and click on edit. Then go ahead and click on edit right here. Then disregard, I'm going to upload a new cover on my phone gallery. Go ahead and click on add from camera roll. I'm going to select this particular image. And I'll go ahead and click on done. Lastly, I will go ahead and click on here, confirm. Successfully changed. By the time I go back to my Instagram profile and I refresh, you find out that we have a new cover. It's that simple. For more useful tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.